How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and I'm going to show you guys how I get the most precise bottoms in the stock market, guaranteed. And I'm going to show you guys PLTR and how I will use my system with it. And before we get right into the video, I do have a premium Discord with my best trades with entries and exits in real time for only $6. And if you would like to join, it'll be in the link of my YouTube comment section below. But let me show you the strategy before if you're interested in joining and how this strategy works. I try to make it simple. I try to make it, not complicated, but into a picture format. You're looking at three bands. The green band is your buy zone. Buy zone doesn't mean you buy. The middle band is where price has to correct. As you can see, when price goes away, it corrects to this middle band. Price goes above, it corrects to this middle band. The farther you go down towards the green band, the more the buyers will want to step in because I had made these settings so extremely oversold and extended if it gets to the top side, right? So what we're looking at right now, price is just hovering over the middle band. We're looking at a support around 1569, the resistance of heavy resistance right here around 1839 because we have a top wick right there, so a lot of sellers. That's just basic technicals. Anyone can understand that. But what we want to do is we want to look at what in the past in the history has Palantir has done according to our buys. Looks like we had a lot of big upward pressure rated here. It gets close, and then like I said, it has to go to the middle band. So the longer term it's been away, it will reflect and correct to this middle band, and that's what it did, and then some. And it could have went straight down to the green band, but decided to go back up and then reflect it again, and then some. So that's what we're keeping an eye on here. I'm always watching this. It's a good stock. Right here was a great buy zone. I want to circle this. I only buy so I don't sell short stocks. I am all for the bulls. I want to help you guys out, and I want to pump things just as much as you guys do. So when price gets down here, it doesn't mean like it exactly as a buy zone because it goes right, or a buy signal because it goes right down some more. And there's other things that I look at, like the as you can see down below, I have the KDJ. I look at lower time frames, market sentiment, price action, and all of that. And so when it did right in here, this is where you accumulate the shares. You get nice little stock, a lot of shares, and then it pumps right off the bat 9%, and then another 13%, making massive returns in just 2 days, and then consolidates because it pumped and creates another pump to this blue band, and that's where price had to go to. So it did its mission. Price was like, okay, I did it. Now what can I do? And then so they do their algorithms and they make it want to go down, and then it pumps back up. So I'm going to look again. Here was a nice buy signal right here, made a nice little upper lower wick, and then goes back up to there. Just showing you guys examples. Gets close here, pumps, sells. Okay, so we got enough. We want to know what is happening now. Price is honestly just kind of being boring. I showed you guys the support, the resistance in the short term here. Obviously, major support. What I would be looking for is right here at the 1449. If you don't break that 1836 and then 1930 level, then yes, price could keep going down. Obviously we want it to go up, but you want to be prepared for worst case scenario of when price did potentially get lower near to this green band. Like as you can see, it gets low and then goes up. You want to be prepared if it does go to around the $14.07 area, which is the green band, but that is going to fluctuate as in price. So, and looks like we do have earnings coming up at 205. So that is going to tell us exactly what's happening. It could go straight up to the red band or it could go straight down to the green band. So we're definitely going to watch this after earnings and kind of see where we're at near the buy zones and the sell zones when this earnings helps, because obviously it's not really doing anything. It's just kind of consolidating in this blue band. No bulls or bears are kind of winning this. So if you guys enjoyed this reversal trading strategy, and I showed you past examples of how this works, but this works in any stock, any market, and it has been profitable for me for over 6 years. I've been a trader for over 10 years. I've been very unprofitable till I spent the time to say, I'm tired of losing money. I'm going to develop a system that makes money consistently, and it's very simple. And I can know exactly, I can ignore every candle in here till it gets to my buy signal. And then I just wait this one out, put this on the watch list, come back to it when it's ready for me because I let the market come to me. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I talked about it briefly. It is only $6 a month. And compared to what other Discords charge, I looked up and I've been in some that charge over hundreds of dollars, and it's not worth it. They just give you a watch list and they say, this might move. Go buy Palantir. And I'm like, okay, you get in and you're like, what's the exit plan? It could go up 100%. That is a bunch of baloney. This Discord right here, we have a lot of people in that can vouch that I give out exact entries and exits before I get in. So if I make a 20% gain, all my community members make 20% too, because I give you the limit order and you just put it in your broker, and then I give you the exit order and you put a limit order to sell, and that is how it should be, guys. So I created a community. It took a while. I made sure this back tested. It does work, guys. I love this system. I had the trade alerts right here where you can just click on a single button, but you'll get tagged exactly when I get in. And then I have the setup video so your chart can look nice and clean, just like this. I made 2 videos for TradingView, and this is Webull I'm using. And look just like this, so you can know exactly what price is doing. Obviously you're going to need to have some experience, but if you don't have any experience, you can just follow my trade alerts, exactly what I do. I try to tell you exactly why I like it and all that. So you can be a profitable trader. Like I said, it's only $6. I would love to have you guys. It's so cheap because I know times are hard. Not a lot of people have big accounts, so you can do any account size with this journey. Also, if you like this video and you want to help the algorithm out, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Comment, what's your average on PLTR? Anything like that helps the video engage and shows other users and helps the algorithm out, because if people are interested, other retail traders are going to be share this. And this is a nice video if you like to find cheap prices for stocks you own and getting in at the bottom and selling in more at the top to make gains for best returns, and you're confident because I'm in a good price. The price can go lower, but with this system, it can't go as much lower. And like I said, I have accumulation rules, which I put in the trade alerts, exactly how you're supposed to accumulate. You never go all in. So I have a nice little detailed plan of how you're supposed to properly accumulate like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, I'll see you in the Discord. I'd love to have you. And I'm going to be heading out, and I wish everyone luck on PLTR, and happy trading, everyone. Peace out.